Hello guys, and welcome to yet another video. So in today's video we're gonna diagnose a window switch for the left passenger side door mirror. So as you can see, this side works, but this side doesn't work for passenger. So even here, nothing. Whereas for the back window, they do work. So we have to take this off, figure out what is the issue, and we can replace this with this one which is working, and see if that is the issue. And if that's the issue, then we just need to replace the switch and not the whole thing. So let's get at it. Alright, so we will take this tool, and then alright, so we will open this up, replace this with the back one which we know it's working, and then see if it will solve our issue. And then we'll see if it solves, then we know the issue is the switch, so we'll just have to replace the switch. Then on this connector is just one pin, so I think you slide it in and then you slide this out. Just like that. So we do the same to the back window and replace it, see if it will work. back one. This was from here. Even from the sound you can tell that this has an issue. It's not clicking like the one at the back. So you connect this. Then now we turn it on and see if the window will go down. Nice. So it appears our issue is just the switch. So now we do that. We take the bad one and go with it to the local salvage yard or second-hand shops and get a replacement.
A few moments later.
So now I've gotten a replacement. So this is a new part. This is the old one. So it's identical to the old part. So it's always good to go with the faulty one so that you get the correct part. So we just do a reverse of the process we did earlier. Let's try if it works fast before we patch things. Good, that also works. So we are good to go. Good. That's it for today, guys. See you on the next one. Peace.